Today, I'll show you how to add an admin team member to your Substack newsletter so you can share access and manage your publication together more easily. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your settings, how to send an invite, and what to keep in mind as you bring someone new onto your team. First, open your browser and go to substack.com. If you're not already signed in, log into the account that owns the newsletter you want to manage. It's important that you're using the correct account because only the owner or someone with the right permissions can add new team members. Once you're signed in, you should land on your Substack dashboard or the main view of your publication. From here, look toward the top or side of the screen for the settings option. This is usually represented as a settings label in the main navigation area. Click on Settings to open the configuration page for your newsletter. This is where you control things like your publication details, design, payments, and team access. After the settings page loads, scroll down until you find the section labeled Team. This section is dedicated to managing the people who can access and work on your newsletter. The layout can change slightly over time, but you're looking for a clear area that lists existing members and their roles, or a heading that simply says Team. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with what's there. You may see your own role listed as the owner or admin. In the Team section, look for a button or link that says Invite. Now, this is the control you'll use to add a new team member. Go ahead and click Invite. When you do, a small form or pop-up should appear, asking for details about the person you want to add. Now it's time to enter the email address of the person you'd like to invite as an admin. Type their email carefully because this is where Substack will send the invitation. It's a good idea to double check the spelling, especially if the address is long or includes periods and numbers. If Substack allows you to choose a role at this stage, make sure you're selecting the appropriate level of access for this person. Since you're adding them as an admin, keep in mind that they may be able to publish posts, manage subscribers, and edit key settings, depending on how Substack defines that role at the time. Once you've entered the email address and confirmed everything looks correct, click the button labeled Send Invite. After you click it, Substack will send an invitation email to the address you provided. Your new team member will need to open that email and accept the invitation, usually by clicking a link that takes them back to Substack to confirm. You can stay on the team page to see the status of the invitation. Often you'll see the email listed as pending until the person accepts it. If they don't see the invite in their inbox, remind them to check their spam or promotions folder. And that's it. I'm going to walk you through how to add admin team member to Substack newsletter. And now you've completed the entire process. Go to Substack, open your settings, find the team section, send the invite, and wait for your new admin to accept. Once they do, you'll be able to collaborate on posts, manage subscribers, and grow your publication together.